Shelby GT350. I actually, a few weeks ago, it was late and I came home and it was parked in the driveway out of the way and it was getting dark and I didn't see it. I backed into it with my Sprinter van. So the hitch went through the bumper from the clips that you've seen before. That's actually, I popped the bumper kind of back in place and I put the light marker back on just so it looks presentable. But as you can see, the quarter panel went in a little bit. So right now I'm headed to Dent Eraser, paintless dent repair. I'm gonna see what they say. Hopefully it's an easy, quick fix because it is bugging me and I don't want to do any paint to this car. I mean, if I have to repaint the bumper or get a new bumper, that's fine. I just don't want to have any new paint on the quarter panel or body work. So let's see what happens. These things happen, I guess. Sucks that it happened to this car, but it is what it is. Everything is fixable. So let me go see what they say. We'll go from there. So the Dent Eraser is coming tomorrow morning. So I got the tail lights out, the bumper off, and the trunk interior sort of gutted, just so he has access to the inside of the quarter panel. I mean, I guess it could have been a lot worse. The only part that's broken inside of here is this bracket here, which I'm pretty sure I can repair. And if not, I'm sure this piece is really cheap. The main hit was right here with the hitch, the square hitch off my Sprinter van. So it dented right here, and as you can see, the quarter panel over here went in slightly. But the Dent Eraser is saying that he can get all of this out with no problems. He said he can even get this little line out, which I wasn't worried about it. But he said that he'll get that out as well. So we're gonna see the magic they do. I'm gonna be very impressed if they get it done. And I've seen some of their work before and I didn't believe it. I thought the panel was painted. So this is paintless repair. It's gonna happen tomorrow. So let's see what happens. just like that, the dent is completely gone off the quarter panel and the bumper lines up perfect. I didn't even have to replace the plastic bracket. Of course, the bumper has seen better days, but I'll deal with this later. I might just buy a new cover eventually and get it repainted. I did get a tool off Amazon that I keep seeing on Instagram. It welds basically these metal tiny rods. So I repaired the bumper from the inside, and now it's solid. It just doesn't look pretty, but I'm sure that's repairable, no problem. I just don't want to leave the bumper off because I want to drive the car, so that's that. The Dent Eraser that came out here today, I will have his information in the description. He is a local guy. He's actually right down the road from us, so check him out. He does amazing work, and I can't even tell that this quarter panel was worked on. The only thing is, he wasn't able to get this out right here, and it's honestly not that noticeable. If someone doesn't know it's there, you can't even see it, but the reason for that is when he started pushing it out, he was afraid that the paint would flake off or crack, so I'd rather have a slight dent up here than some cracking paint, so we left that alone. But everything else, just look at this. It's perfect. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. And the price was more than fair. So I finally got a tow hook for my car, and the quality of the hook itself is flawless. See, tow hook, and here's the website. It does come with some instructions. A couple pictures here. So it looks like you have to relocate the temperature sensor, which on mine it was already moved because of the Whipple and stuff. It has its own little bracket here. So I guess it just goes. Which way does it go? So with the Whipple upgrade and the heat exchanger up here, you gotta remove these Whipple studs, bolts, whatever it's called. It looks like when I installed it, I put like Loctite everywhere. Smart move. So I just removed these. Now the bracket that comes with the tow hook kit should just slide up in here like this. Then you just put these back on. So a common problem on the 2015 and up Mustang is these bumpers right here, the bumper covers. These tabs right here tend to break off. Mine was broken like halfway. So on this side, the other side was still okay, but I think I just found a solution. I bought this gun right here on Amazon for like 20 bucks. It comes with little clips, and what I did was, this side wasn't broken at all, but I reinforced it anyways with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little rods in there, so it's solid. But well, it's flexible, but it's solid. So that side wasn't broken. This side was broken, and as you can see, I put a lot more rods in there, and right now it's solid. So I was gonna just put some kind of epoxy there and stuff like that, but I didn't want to wait that long. I just want to reassemble the car so I could drive it. So I think this might be a solution here. I don't know. I'm about to see if it works. I'm gonna clip these off, get them out of the way, and reinstall the bumper. I did get the tow hook on there. The whole tow hook is not on there yet, but the bracket is, and I believe I need to adjust this. So I got the bumper ready. I'm gonna put the bumper on, and I'm gonna see if the tow hook actually lines up with the grill hole so I don't have to modify it. Apparently this tow hook here should fit right through this grill like so, and it doesn't. Well, it's a tight fit, so supposedly it's supposed to line up with my hole. If it doesn't, then I need to adjust that. This part right here, you have some adjustments. So let's try it out. The bumper's back on, and I have the tow hook in here. Just gonna leave it in there all the time. The hole didn't really match up in the grill, but I was too lazy to take the bumper back off one more time and adjust the knot on the other side. But it was a tight fit, but these holes are really tight in the grill as well. So I mean, I think that's just how it's gonna be. On this side, I'm not too happy with this gap on the fender, but that's just always how it's been on this car for some reason, ever since I bought it. I was gonna do the zip tie trick that I saw people do, but I didn't really like it because then the splash shield doesn't really fit right. So I just left it like that. My tabs are repaired, so I'm not sure why the gap is there, but I wish the bumper would go up just a little bit. But it's looking good. Man, this quarter panel is looking good. I wish I had the time to repair this bumper all the way, but it's whatever. It's not even that noticeable if you don't know it's there. And also, the tow hook, I'm excited about it because if I break the car at the drag strip or the track, I can actually get it towed. So, thumbs up. So that's gonna be it on this one. Stay tuned for more and subscribe later.